ang laro ng lahi?
Before the digital age consumed childhood, every afternoon, streets are echoed with the joyful shouts of children playing traditional games like patintero and tumbang preso. Tumbang preso, also known as tumbang lata or bato lata, is a traditional Filipino children's game. It's a fun and active game that involves knocking down a can or preso using a slipper or a flat stone or pamato. There are many variations of tumbang preso. Some version involves kicking the can instead of throwing pamato. Others have different rules for tagging or retrieving the pamato. Patintero, a beloved traditional Filipino game, is a thrilling blend of tag and an obstacle course, demanding teamwork, strategy, and lightning fast reflexes. It's typically played outdoors, often under the moonlight, adding its nostalgic charm.